If your 1998 Honda CR-V won't turn over, we can isolate the issue in just a few minutes. Surprisingly, most no-start cases on these older Hondas are caused by simple electrical failures rather than engine damage. Let's walk through the diagnosis process step by step. Start by confirming your battery connection and checking if the neutral safety switch is preventing the ignition. The main relay is a notorious failure point on this generation of CR-V. If the engine cranks but won't catch, check your fuel delivery and ignition system components. Most owners can handle the relay or battery work, but deeper engine issues require professional tools. Here is the relative cost for common parts that prevent your CR-V from starting. Use a multimeter to verify power flow before you start buying expensive replacement parts. A basic socket set and a cheap multimeter will cover 90% of your diagnostic needs. Remember, if the engine refuses to crank, stop forcing it to avoid further damage to the starter. Check the description for specific part numbers for your 98 CR-V and good luck with the repair.